If you are a marketing leader in the manufacturing or the industrial space, you know the struggle all too well. You are dealing with long sales cycles and your technical product or software is highly complex. And when your sales team goes into a buying committee meeting, they are met with skepticism because the engineers on the other side can't visualize how your product can solve their problem. So in today's video, we will cover what is an industrial product video, how long should it be, and what are the best ways to make an industrial product video, and finally, the best way to distribute your content for social media and trade shows for the best possible ROI. So what is an industrial product video? It is a strategic B2B media asset designed to showcase your technical components in action, and it should prioritize your functional value over the artistic one. I'm not saying that quality here is not important, but the first value or the first thing you should focus on is the functional value. Now, how long should an industrial product video be? The hero overview video should sit around 45 to 60 seconds, and this will be enough to hook your buyer or viewer and at the same time to communicate your core value proposition. And from there, you can cut the main overview video into bite-sized 15 to 30 seconds clips. And you can use these mini clips in order to follow up with a specific lead if he was asking about specific function or a specific feature. And you can also use these mini clips in order to increase your organic reach on social media, because platforms nowadays rewards the consistent posting, especially videos. If you decided to go to 90 seconds, you should find a really good reason and a strong one in order to do that, because nowadays attention span has decreased so much. And you may lose the viewer before he gets to the end of the video, and accordingly he will not see your call to action, and this will impact your conversion rate drastically. Now, what is the best way to produce an industrial product video without shutting down your factory floor or dealing with bad lighting or safety hazards? You don't use cameras at all, and leverage the CAD-to-Digital-Twin pipeline. Instead of a live action shoot, we can use the CAD file. We can take your existing engineering CAD file and build a digital twin of your product. And from there, we can apply all of the different materials, textures, and colors. So the digital version of the product is identical to the real one. And since we are in a digital space, we can build any environment we need. Also, we can strip away the outer casing and show the internal components if we would like to explain a specific technology inside the product. And this gives us unlimited visual options if we would like to show the internal mechanics of the product. And when your product updates next year, we simply update the CAD file that we have. We don't reshoot again. Now let's talk about the content distribution and how to get the best possible ROI from these videos. A premium visual asset is useless if it's buried, so you need an intentional distribution. Number one is your website and B2B platforms like LinkedIn. You simply embed these videos on your website and these platforms where the technical evaluation happens, and your viewer or buyer can know more about your product. Number two is YouTube. And you should treat YouTube here as the second largest search engine. It's not another platform that you are posting on. And this way you can capture high intent search traffic. Number three, trade shows. And this is where the ROI spikes. You can run these premium videos on the main screens of your booth. And these premium visuals that are similar to how Apple present their products will help you stop traffic, communicate complex functionality, and drive booth engagement. And this way, you don't need to ship a 10-ton machine across the country. And speaking of trade shows, I highly recommend that you watch this video, which covers how to stop losing leads at trade shows and the proper ways to follow up with leads. And if you need to make your next industrial product video, feel free to book a visual strategy session with me and we can help you with that. Thanks, and I'll see you there.